my crafty friends, it's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda. I'm here to do a quick and easy ephemera holder box, and what I'm making today is an ephemera box to hold Christmas ephemera to help you get organized, and also to store all of your tags and cards and other goodies. And you could do this for your craft room. You can categorize the box by what type of ephemera you're putting in, like this one will be Christmas, or you could just do general boxes. You can also use something like this that has tabs so that you can separate your ephemera, and then you can write what each section will be. So there's so much that you can do with these boxes. They're really easy and they're fun to make. First, a little bit of housekeeping. I just wanted to remind everyone of the exciting collaboration Pound A2Z of Christmas Craft, hosted by Rach and Bella Crafts. And there are 31 crafters that will be, each one will be given a prompt for the 12 days of Christmas, and then each crafter will post a video. So if you put in hashtag A2Z of Christmas Craft, I will have that information in the description box below. Then you can find the different crafters and look for one each day. I've been assigned to day 5 with the letter E, so stay tuned for that. Be sure to join me on Friday when I post my video for that. Okay, so let's get to the ephemera box. This was inspired by the wonderful Carol Tinson on YouTube. I believe she has a Facebook group too. I need to join that. I just found her like a week ago, but she has wonderful crafts. I love watching her. So I'm just going to put this aside for now, and then we will create our box. It's really easy. So what Carol did was she started with an A4 size cardstock. I don't have A4 because I'm in Canada, so we have letter size. But you can use thick cardboard. I used a thinnish cardboard. I get my cardboard that I use to make my journal covers and things. I get it free from Costco. Just go to Costco, and the huge sheets where the toilet paper and kitchen towel rolls. So yeah, go to Costco and they would love for you to take them because we're recycling them. They're just going to throw them out anyway. So what you do is you take an A4 size, which I believe in centimeters is 21 by 29.7. It just was easier to give the measurement in centimeters, because in inches it's like point blah blah blah, and it's just, it gets too confusing for me. So I did it in centimeters, and I will be doing most of my measuring today in centimeters. Some will be in inches as well. So whatever's easiest, that's what I'll do. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to start with the shorter side, and you're going to find the center. And it will be easier if I do this in centimeters because it's not an exact here. About 19 and a half. So, that would be 9 3/4, I believe. Let's see. I'm really bad with math. I think that looks right. Let me see. I need one of those rulers that has the midway mark. Sorry, guys. I did it just about correctly, but it was a little off. Sorry, guys. I'm just going to do this because I was just a little teeny bit off. Okay, so we found the center. Sorry about that. No shame here. Okay, and then we're going to measure from the center 1.5 inches inward. Okay. And I'm just going to double check that. Yeah, that's about right. So then what you do is you score, which I haven't gotten a scoreboard yet, but I will, I promise. And I'm going to use my tool that I use for scoring. And I'm using my mat to try to get it straight. Okay. Then we're going to flip it around like this. Oh, wait. The next step is we measure to see how far it is from the score line to the end. And let me see if I do it in centimeters. 6 centimeters. So write that down. And then you're going to go to the long end. And from the end, you're going to go to your measured amount, which was 6 centimeters. And you're going to score it. And then from here to here, on all 4 sides, we're going to cut on the score line up to the intersection of our other score. So I hope everyone's having a good day today. Now you are going to use your bone folder, crease all the score lines. Okay. Then you're going to fold these two ends in. And then the long outside end together. You're going to taper these two ends that fold inside so that they sit nicely and don't hang over top. That. See how nice that is? And then what you're going to do is, what I did is I covered the inside just because I wanted the inside to be nice. I covered it with some cardstock scrapbook paper. You can do these 4 sides if you want. I only did the bottom, so it would be 5 sides that you could do, although you would do this side after you glued it down. I did ink up all around the edges, and then what I did was I added the scrapbook paper on all these sides, and then I just filled it. So that's how easy it is. So I hope you enjoyed that quick tutorial of how to make a ephemera box. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a great, wonderful rest of your day. Stay safe, be well, and bye-bye, friends.